So say good night to the bad guy. I'm Tony Montana, a political prisoner from Cuba. All I have in this world is my boss and my word, and I don't break